Ahee, namukena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course. Oh, nomhlata yakhe la Papa Penny man, Penny aye. Yeah, and then I'm of course. Oh, ito yakhe la Mayengani, the president. Yeah, so last time very we came like Papa Penny kama hleke the look we kai kusuka very na press mashele la are out of line ashonda sweswo la fika ichingela hikuva se ingena parliament ku yi xiphukupuku timato a ingena na xikolo and stuff like that, so are out of line ka mhaka leya vhele maona mhaka leyiwa as I'm speaking now, Papa Penny is trending for the wrong things and still sure shinga linked to the parliament. So as normal vele parliament ilentirweni vele vona mhaka leyi, so ku fika va na issue because I fike yi vutisa xivutiso and unfortunately laniwa xivutiso xa kona a xi wo tsaliwa kunene xi fike xi vutisa as normal and xivutiso lexi a xi tsaliwe hi xilungu a hi twini ku swi ndlise ku yini laha ta hi khe hi analyze hi ya mahlweni.
Mr. Hlayi, engwena bote. All right.
Honorable Kobani, go through the chairperson.
Okay, Chair. Mr. Hlayi, it's you, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Aye, wana weta.
Okay.
Okay. I have a question here that Mr. Hlayi, are you out on bail on fraud and mismanagement case involving SAFA fund to CEO and new NEC? Why did the NEC fail to charge the CFO for his fraud and management of fund case? This practice raises issues of constitution as Ms. Namka Mpele and others employed have been charged and fired based on allegation and breach of corporate government principles. What nationality do you possess? What are the other rules on responsibility you possess in the association based being in the CFO? So you are not charged, accounted.
Hey, okay. I'm sorry guys, before you go. Guys, the betri ya Papa Penny yo xichangani xilungu na yidru. But mina very nivula a spade. I call a spade a spade. Swilo leswi fike swi lunghiziwa ka ha na nkarhi because hi nga rila as gazi na hina almost athida hi tandla ti-video khe hi rila hi Papa Penny va hi cace parliament. Papa Penny, yes, yi nga kota ku yi vutisa xivutiso hi xilungu loko yi nga ri ku swi hlayeni, but laha ku ve na problem yi le ku swi hlayeni swilo leswi and swi to vhele Papa Penny obvious xilungu xa yona xi tshamise ku yini, so ku va an issue in a way yo swi clear ku swilo leswi swi lunghiziwa ka ha na nkarhi in a way yo Papa Penny yi fike yi tsariwa xipichi xa yona or a question hi Xitsonga yi swi hlaya hi Xitsonga laha vana mhaka leyi because clearly I mean no mi vutisa vo tala like you can't understand the question swo twala laha na laha, but in overall mi kuma ku question yi hetela yi nga ha twisisekanga na loko a lava ku hlamula lowun'wana mi kuma ku fika swi ku inyana vana mhaka leyi so swi clear ku yi fike yi lunghiziwa ka ha na nkarhi mhaka leyi.
It's what I wanted to ask. Is it true, Chair? That's my question.
This response, CFO.
Mihlongoliwini, mikhomiwini, mibeyila, even namuntlha ma ha ri ntirhweni. How come things comes like that? We need that explanation.
Mi swi twini ka Xitsonga loko se yi swi ba hi Xitsonga swi va kahle mi swi voneni laha, so swa xilungu leswi va yi tsalela laha swa swi wrong and swi va sabawunyana like na rixaka ra hina like nsamu swi hi representa wrong. Ku na Mamkhawula mayito ya Mamkhawula yi le ka EFF liya loko yi ndla swilo swa yona yi va yi kha yi ba hi hambi Xizulu hambi Xixhosa, apologies for that, yi tirhisa ririmi ra yona, so ni twi na ku na Papa Penny a fike yi tirhisa ririmi ra yona swi nga basa swinene. Yeah,
but it's not harming. We are asking, we are not harming anybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, we speak our minds.
Thank you, honorable member.
I'm still continuing.
Okay.
Yes, I want to speak finish and 10 minutes to me is not work, only 5 minutes, no bonus. Chair, I'll finish now. I'll answer everything, not one by one. That I'm not the pastor, I'm not the prophet to say one and one. So far, got 54, not 52 regions. It's 54, it's 52.
How come on, I'm going to mara landaku ntela va hle la inan manda va ri kha ti khoma la va zamile ku ti khoma na khonini la yeah
52. You guess. Why are they failing to pay traveling fees to all the teams around South Africa? Why are they also failing to give them soccer kits? How many regions did they give the kids? Minyiki vangani swikipa swa bolo. Why under 17, 20, 23? Did they pay Bafana players their outstanding amount since January? Did you pay? Did you make everything from January to up to date? The man that outstanding is what I wanted to ask. I don't have a more further question, but after this meeting, Chair, we have to handle ourselves by the hands. We make unite.
da ku twalanya swa side ra the payments mara la ku mu question in overall heta nga twanga so yeah kona without fear or favor a swi lunghiziwi ka MK le swi leswi swi hata swi lunghiziwa or yesa va nga swi tirhisa as an excuse yo va yi caca papa pheni a parliament maybe or like ni vula leswo yi ta so yi ta vulavula kwani mashoku swo swi na switoritori nyana leswin'wana na ngheka swona and stuff like that ma yona mhaka leyiwa Oh, ndiri mokumu okay like been on the president yeah there is a post very that he posted ka siku namuntlha of course ra ti 4th of June hi ngo sungula lin'we what's happening with my network mara oh yeah I posted ximomomo and then I wrote hit 2025 you know this year guys malambe laman'wana swa different in terms of my side yo ni kota ku va ni post ni kota ku va ni analyzer but this time around I'm not going to lie guys swi ta tikanyana maybe ni ta va ni kume file because like swa tika ku tsala ku ximomomo like swi va kha swi tika no rito hi fike hi va hi ri tracer xinjhani ma vona mhaka leyiwa swi va kha swi tikanyana but they also wrote other posts a nga vekela DJ na ku ximomomo and then another one here ku ri tsala ku ximomomo so it's difficult hi ngo zama ku vhumba it's difficult mara so far na swona ku vekeriwa vanuna la maybe swi related to that or munhu wa clean a ni tivi ku na lava vona va ri clean ku hi ti-images leti ka vekeriwa la I don't know I don't know but yes of course risimu ri ta ku ra Benin president ka album ya kona yi nga ta yi kha yi ta hi October it's either hi twa line leyiwa or ku va ku ri title hi leswi vele swi va ka swi kha swi ndlisa swona ku ri vito ra track and stuff like that ma vona mhaka leyi so leswo if mina idea yo ximomomo ku nga ku rini you can comment below hi leswo loko ri amgeza swi ska banda khomela mi tlika subscribe
Ani
Nina kwiri.
una khwiri ni vulavula na mani
U tiva ma?
hi wexeli
Hawa.
i lunghile
Hawa.
i thembi
Hawa.
swi ta ku mani
Kasi vangani?
i xiluva
Hawa.
mani i tintsalo
Hawa.
khona i mani
Ime thandi.
na we thandi wo hi fonela ti-private call vona se wa chavisa na